One of the things you can easily do is remove out emails out of junk as well. So over here in Outlook, I have marked some emails as junk. So to do that and to see what emails are in junk, you can go to the junk email section right here. And some of them might be actually important. So you can see that there's some junk emails right here. And let's say all of these right here are actually important mails and they have been sent to junk. So it says items in junk email will be permanently deleted after 10 days. So you don't want that right here. You want to recover this. In that case, you can go around and right click over here. And then what you can do is you can go around and then report it as not junk. Once you do that, what happens is that it's added onto safe senders and then it goes back onto inbox right here. You can undo this, of course, right here immediately and it comes back, but you can go around and then undo this out right here. So you can go around and then report this in not junk, and the email won't be reported as junk and you'll start receiving emails from that center again. So that is how you can remove emails out of junk inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.